am really embarrassed for telling you people about this one, but I have shoplifted stuff back in the day when I was a child. Again, I think I was in class fourth or fifth, and I used to go to the stationery shop and I would ask the stationery wala bhaiya ki bhaiya ye bhi dikhao wo bhi dikhao, and he would give me multiple things, and there would be other kids also buying things in the same time. So bhaiya mujhe saman deke bhul jate the, and I would just very sneakingly slide something or the other inside my bag, and then I would give everything back to him ki bhaiya rakh lo mujhe nahi chahiye, and wo saman deke bhul jate the, and then I would just come home back, and then I would be really happy कि मुझे free का सामान मिला. I'm really sorry. Okay, something on these similar lines. I have stolen money from my father's pants pocket and my mother's purse, maybe, yeah, back in the day, just because to have more chizzy in the school का canteen, because सारे बच्चे आम पापड़ एंड इमली एंड चूरन खाते थे, एंड आई थिंक मेरे पेरेंट्स मुझे ज़्यादा पॉकेट मनी नहीं देते थे, सो आई यूज़ टू फील बैड, एंड देन आई वुड डू ऑल दैट स्टफ बेसिकली टू हैव मोर चीज़ी. एंड या, आई एम सॉरी माई मदर एंड फादर, if you're watching this, I'm confessing it in front of everybody here. This is a very recent one. I have had kidney stones. I think this happened a few months back only, like around February and March. So yeah, the largest stone in my right kidney was of 7 mm, and the largest in my left kidney was of 4 mm. And yeah, I was on a 3 to 4 weeks of leave from my office because I was going through really terrible pain in my stomach and in my back as well during that time, and I was under treatment. So yeah, I wanted to begin with my YouTube back in 2015 or 16 when I was in 3rd or 4th year of my college, but back in the day I did not have enough money with me to start with anything. And yeah, because back then everybody used to make all those fancy kind of videos, the shopping hauls, Kulaba Causeway and Sarojini halls, and they used to get like a few pieces and then style those pieces in like 10 different ways, clothes wise and everything. So I wanted to do all that fancy stuff, but at the same time I did not have the money to do all that. So I thought, let me just get my job first, and once I get that, then only I would start with my YouTube. And that's the reason why I started super late with my YouTube. When I was in class 5th, there was this Independence Day or Republic Day celebration in the school, and मेरी van late हो गई थी आने के लिए to pick me up, because I used to go to school by a van back in the day. So मेरे को एक I was looking for some chalk, बट मुझे चॉक नहीं मिल रहा था. सो आई फाउंड सम वाइट क्रेयॉन, एंड मैंने वो वाइट क्रेयॉन से पूरा फ्लैग ड्रॉ कर दिया अच्छे से बड़ा सा ब्लैक बोर्ड पर, एंड मैंने नीचे अपना नाम भी लिख दिया खुशी खुशी में कि मैंने बनाया करके, दीक्षा सिंह. एंड द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग यूजुअल क्लास हैपेंड, एंड माई टीचर मेड मी स्टैंड इन द मिड ऑफ द क्लास, एंड शी आस्क्ड ये किसने किया है, एंड आई had to stand up and I told her कि मैंने किया, and then she scolded me in front of everybody and asked me to rub that off, and everybody thought कि वो chalk से बना हुआ है तो easily dust off हो जाएगा, but no, that was not the case. वो crayon था, and she gave me this very random piece of cloth and some water to just rub it, but I just couldn't because it was so hard to rub it क्योंकि वो crayon था, and I was crying my eyes out like anything in that moment while rubbing all of that off, trying to rub all of that off because वो नहीं निकल रहा था. And I don't remember what happened next, but मेरे को बहुत सारा डांट पड़ा था, and I felt so bad in front of the entire class getting scolded. During my college days, I had gotten a very weird allergy in which my entire lips and the area around my lips would get swollen and inflamed like anything, like so terribly bad. And there would be like a lot of itching, a lot of redness, a lot of burning, but yeah, that is something that lasted for at least 2 to 3 years. And I remember that every time I would eat something spicy, really spicy, the next morning I would get the allergy and the inflammation and everything. So I made of it that it is happening because of the spices and everything. And I had actually gone to a couple of doctors, but none of those doctors really could diagnose it properly. So I was even put on like a lot of medication, but nothing worked. Only me reducing my consumption of spices, only eating very plain food like salty food with turmeric helped me. And I don't know, eventually that allergy just went away. I don't know how that happened, miraculously maybe, but yeah, I do not have that allergy anymore. So it just used to happen to me each summer, and during the winters it would just go off on its own. I hate alcohol, I hate smoking, but having said that, I have tried both of those things because I'm a freaking adult. I just like this one combo of having gin and tonic, that too like very rarely, and that too with my best company. I don't have it with anybody else because I don't like drinking at all. Trust me, I don't enjoy drinking, I don't like the taste of it, and yes, I just don't like alcohol and smoking. I am getting wisdom teeth in the lower portion of my mouth, and this happened very recently, I think last month only. And my doctor told me, my dentist told me that he cannot extract the teeth out, nor are they gonna fully come out on their own, because they are kind of stuck like badly behind the other teeth, and they are kind of stuck into my nerves and all. So he cannot even go with the surgery to extract them manually and all of that stuff. So I was under a really heavy medication, but for now they're not paining me, they're like chill, and I'm chill. From my class 9th until my class 12th, I used to have really long, brown, straight, silky hair, and that too like naturally. My hair are straight naturally, yes. And all the girls in my class and in my school used to envy me. Trust me, I'm not tooting my own horn, but I'm telling you the truth only, and that's the reason why I never had good girlfriends back in the day. I still don't have like really many good girlfriends, but back in my school days I never had good girlfriends because of that reason. I once learned swimming when I was in class 7th or 8th, I believe, during this very random summer camp, but then I left the thing in the midway only. So yeah, I do not know swimming, but I really wanna learn how to swim. My official name spelling is Dikksha. That is my name spelling in all my IDs, all my legal documents, but I happen to write it as Dekksha because that's the way I like it and I prefer having it. When I was in school, I wanted to become either a fashion designer or an interior designer, and I would make a scrapbook of my own wherein I would just paste these very random cutouts from the magazines and the newspapers, and I would draw and paint a few dresses and fits of my own. I still must be having that scrapbook somewhere in my cupboard right now, but I'm sorry, I cannot make the effort of getting that scrapbook out to show you people. But yes, that's the truth. Okay, back in class 3rd or 4th, I used to be a huge sucker for collecting all these random colorful beads and pearls and everything. So back then we used to live in this other house, and it was a double story house. So हमारे नीचे वाले फ्लोर पे किराएदार रहते थे, बट वो अपने कपड़े ऊपर छत पे सुखाते थे. एंड एक अच्छी सी आंटी थी, शी यूज टू वेयर ऑल द फैंसी स्टफ एंड उनके स्वेटर्स बहुत प्रिटी होते थे, एंड उनमें बहुत प्रिटी बटन्स होते थे. तो मैं छत पे जाके ऑल्टरनेट बटन्स तोड़ लेती थी एंड कलेक्ट करती थी. एंड आई डिड दैट, आई थिंक, टू मल्टीपल ऑफ हर स्वेटर्स. एंड देन शी आस्क्ड माई मदर वन डे कि ऐसे कौन कर रहा है, क्या हो रहा है. देन माई मदर scolded me, and everybody got to know that I was the one who was behind all of this, and I was stealing her buttons and everything. So yeah, I have been this lean all my life. Earlier I would feel bad about the same, but now I don't, because I can eat anything or everything in the world, but I would not put on weight. My metabolism is apparently really great. I really enjoy being lean now. I really want to put on a little weight maybe, but yeah, for now I'm really cool and chill with the fact that I am lean. I'm not a picky eater at all. I eat almost all the veggies except for a few like very weird ones. I think this, one sabji that is called suran, that is arbi ka bhai. I just hate it. Like whenever my mother makes it, I never have it. So she makes sure that she's making something else also in the kitchen if there's this suran thingy. So yeah, other than that, I'm not at all a picky eater. I like eating karela, loki, torei, every other common sabji. So yeah, I'm not a picky eater. Growing up, I used to be really insecure about my dark knees and dark elbows, and I think a lot of us girls have been through that back in the day, right? So I used to rub all this lemon and soda thingy on my knees and my elbows to basically lighten them, but I think nothing of that sort works, and yeah, I eventually gave up on it and I grew up. Now we are an adult, nobody gives a shit about all of that stuff now. Also growing up, I would really run away from wearing whites and other light colors because I would think my skin tone is really dark, and all these colors would make me look even darker, so I would just stay away from wearing whites. But now just look at me, I love wearing whites. White is my current favorite color, and I just embrace myself in whites like anything. So yeah, I have a power of -0.5 and -0.75 on both my eyes, and I have my real power glasses with me. But there are times and there are days when I do not like the idea of wearing those, so I just end up being in a horrible headache. Yes, I stress and strain my eyes out like that deliberately. I like the idea of getting acrylic nails done, like how they look super beautiful and everything, but I have gotten them done only once in my life, that too when my sister got married, and after that I decided I'm not gonna get them done ever again because those were really painful. The experience was really painful, like the nail technician pushing your cuticles behind like anything and then forcefully sticking the nails and everything. It was so painful. Also, it becomes really uneasy and inconvenient to do your basic chores around the house with them on, so I don't think I'm gonna get them done at least any soon in my life. I know a lot of you people may already know this by now from my vlogs if you are my regular watcher, but I like eating clean. I love eating clean. I do not indulge in junk and in all that processed food eating too much. I love the idea of putting clean stuff inside my system. I think over the past few months I have become a total text person. I don't like the idea of talking to people over calls anymore. I don't know, I think I never have the energy to talk to people over calls, and it's also too much wastage of time for me. So yeah, I like being in touch with them over texts only now. I cannot eat my dal and chawal or sabji or chawal with my hands just like that. I have to have my spoon to eat that stuff. I know so many of you people would not relate to me because my father also keep telling me to eat the stuff with the hand because the other taste aata hai, but I just cannot. It aches me a lot in my head and I just cannot. I like the idea of wearing fine jewelry, but at the same time I cannot wear anything on my neck. I find it really girlish. I don't know why. I just like leaving it all plain and bare. I'm sorry, I just said I like the idea of it, but at the same time I don't know why I end up not wearing anything on my neck. In class 5th, I once got into this very stupid fight with my brother and I fell down the stairs or something. मेरे सर पे बहुत ज़्यादा चोट आया था and my mother immediately took me to the doctor with like बाजू वाला भैया because my father had gone to his office in that time. So yeah, that happened and the doctor gave me the tetanus injections and everything, and also my entire head was wrapped up with like a lot of bandage and a lot of cotton and ointment and stuff. And the next day it was my exam, okay, moral science का exam था, and my father was so strict about our studies when we were all kids. So he made sure that I'm not skipping my exam and I'm going to the school to take my exam. So पूरा सर bandage करके he made me go to the school to take my exam, and I was literally half conscious and I did not know anything about the exam, and I don't remember if I failed or passed that exam, but yes, that happened once when I was in class 5th. And the very last fact, as of now, I think I don't want to get married to anybody. One of those reasons is I just like having my bed, my entire bed to myself. I don't want to share my bed with anybody ever. I like my space, I love my space, I want my space. And with all of that being said and shared with you guys, I think we have come to the end of this video finally. I really hope people found this video entertaining. Also, if you think, if you share any of the similar habits with me, do let me know in the comments down below. I would be really happy to read that out about you people. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna take a leave. I will meet you people super soon in my next video. Till then, bye.